Hello and welcome back. I am Nina Simone, and we are on day 5, the last letter of our series. And this is coming from the adult prodigal child's heart to you, the parent, what they wish they could say to you. Today's letter is titled, If I Ever Come Home, This Is What Helped. I want to talk about coming home. Not the dramatic version. Not the overnight transformation. I want to talk about the real one, the slow, quiet, humbling return that begins long before anyone else notices. Coming home did not mean I was ready. It did not mean I had changed completely. And it did not mean I deserved trust immediately. It meant I was tired of running and willing to tell the truth. Let me be honest about what didn't work. It wasn't pressure. It wasn't constant advice. It wasn't fear-based warnings. And it wasn't someone lowering the standard so I could feel comfortable returning. Comfort would have kept me stuck. But let me tell you what actually helped. What helped was knowing the door was open without being held open. What helped was truth that didn't chase me, but didn't change either. What helped was love without leverage, no deals, no emotional bargaining. What helped most was prayer I didn't ask for, but desperately needed. Boundaries prepared me for coming home. They taught me that access would require responsibility, that reconciliation would take time, that trust would be rebuilt, not restored automatically. Boundaries didn't close the door. They showed me what walking through it would require. If you're a parent waiting, please hear this carefully. Your steadiness mattered. Your refusal to panic mattered. Your decision to live in peace instead of constant fear mattered. You didn't make my return happen. You made it possible. Coming home was not relief first. It was grief. Grief over wasted time. Grief over damaged trust. Grief over who I could have been. Repentance doesn't feel like celebration at first. It feels like lost before it feels like freedom. If you're an adult prodigal listening, coming home doesn't start with promises. It starts with honesty. And if you're a parent listening, your job is not to force the return. Your job is to remain anchored in truth and love while God does the convincing. Coming home isn't about being welcome without consequences. It's about welcoming into transformation. And sometimes the bravest step home is simply saying, I'm ready to stop running. Return is not the end of consequences. It's the beginning of healing. So, parents and prodigals, this series was not about excusing prodigal behavior. It was about understanding the heart without compromising truth. I hope this 5-day series has blessed you in some way and opened up your heart and mind to the heart of the prodigal so you can have better understanding. Not to enable, but to love. Have a good day.